Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Levine, and welcome to today's video on creating an accessible adaptive form in AEM Forms. I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to do on this, so I'm just going to label this as part one. But as I learn more best practices and if there's any new features added that help with accessibility, I'll be making videos on those in the future. So starting today, we're going to start very simple. This could be a very quick video where I'm just going to go through a few different features, a accessibility checker to help us make sure our form is accessible when we are developing it. So I'm going to drag over just two fields for today. I'm going to drag over a text box field and a submit button. So starting with the text box field, under the configurations or the properties, when the screen reader is reading this form, or when it gets to this field, it's going to read whatever is ever in the title field. So it would read right now text box. So let's go ahead and change this to name since we want a user to type in their name right here. So now when the screen reader goes to this field, it will read off name. However, if the field wasn't really, or if the field title isn't as straightforward as name, maybe it's something else, and it just may be something a lot more specific. It's kind of hard to explain, but we can use screen reader precedence to type in custom text of what we want the screen reader to read out on this field. So maybe if it was name of a dependent, we could type in name of dependent here, and the screen reader would give priority to whatever we type in the accessibility tab. But I'm not going to go that route. I'm just going to keep it in the keep the title as is. Click save. And then for the submit button, I'm going to keep the title as submit. Again, we could give screen reader precedence if we wanted to. So testing out that accessibility checker or testing out the form itself with the accessibility checker, I'm going to remove the editor because that does, in my experience, provide some issues with this particular checker. And the one we're going to be using is called Andy. And Andy is a free accessibility checker that allows us to quickly test our form and see what the output of a screen reader is going to look like. So as you can see, Andy already captured or is already focused on the name field, and we can see that the output that Andy recognizes is name. And then for submit, again, it is submit. So everything looks good. As you can see, we do have one error. Depending on the error, we can, have we can open up a dialog box from Andy, and it'll give us tips on how to fix the given error. So it's pretty neat that this tool allows us to easily, it gives us a solution to easily fix, our problems. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked it, found it helpful, please give it a like. Please give it a comment with any feedback, and please subscribe. And have a nice day. Bye bye.